What's up guys, it's Grace Face. Welcome back to my real ass YouTube channel. It's just another day in paradise, baby. I wanted to do a quick video on how to organize or pack for a trip. In my case, it will be a cruise. My man and I are going on a double date cruise with my girlfriend and her girlfriend, Chloe and Yana. This will be our second year going together and I'm just so excited. We originally were planning to go to Cuba, but as some of you may know, there's been a travel ban, so we're actually going to Bahamas for half the price, so I'm pretty pumped about that. I did a little more shopping than I'm willing to admit, and I wish that I could just put these bags and throw them in the suitcase and just be done. Honestly, I could just do that, but I'm gonna take the responsible route for once. And I've seen one of my favorite YouTubers. I saw her using these organizer cubes in one of her videos. I'm gonna tag her video down below. She packs to go on like this really long trip, and she's seriously so responsible and organized, and she's just such goals. She's the reason why I ordered this. This is the first time I've ever packed with packing cubes, but it looked like it made things really easy for her. Okay, so this came with 2 laundry pouches, one for your little chonies, one for your big chonies, and a little extra shoe bag. I didn't know was coming with it, which is nice. All right, so basically these should fit perfectly. Okay, third laundry pouch. There are 3 laundry pouches actually. Oh, these are cute. It has like actual a little handle as well. So put one there, one there. Your shit should be pretty organized. I'm gonna organize my belongings into 3 separate categories, which would be comfy wear, like daytime wear, bathing suit attire. Last year I had just had a baby, so I just brought a Walmart bikini and I was not really feeling myself. This year I'll have 3 bikinis on deck just in case. You never know. Comfy, bikini, and nighttime attire. Yeah, watch me as I organize my shiznit. All right, pretty cute, pretty organized. As far as I'm concerned, I definitely need a little bit more room, which is good that I have this whole other side. And underneath these, I can put some sweats, jackets, and stuff that I need to pack. If you're doing any traveling in the near future, I definitely would suggest these packing cubes. I feel like they're just gonna make everything so much easier and more organized at the hotel or wherever we end up. So I'm really happy about that. If you guys liked this video, which I hope you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you ever want to see this face again. Like, that's how it works, okay? Next time I vlog, I'll probably be in the Bahamas. Good night, everybody. It is 2 hours before we're about to take off. New diaper bag swag. And I just want to show you how organized my bag is. It feels the lightest it's ever felt. I'm definitely not going to have to use this extender. But wow, I just feel so light and organized. I know you don't want me to leave, baby. Boom. We are out here. Ready as I'll ever be. The house is trashed, but what can you do? Made it to the airport with like 1 minute to spare and a tired ass baby. Daddy's under pressure. Look at him. Work while he's under pressure.